Make WordPress members can upload and share audio file to BuddyPress Activity stream. Hello everyone. In this video, we are sharing with you how to make WordPress members can upload and share audio file to BuddyPress Activity stream. As you know, BuddyPress does not offer this feature. But with Youzify, you can have it for free. People can play and listen to the audio easily. First, you need to install the BuddyPress plugin. His plugin is free. You can find the plugin by the searching bar, then install and activate it. Second, you need to install the Youzify plugin Lite version and activate it. This plugin is also free and you can get it from the WordPress plugin directory. Once Youzify is active, please go to Youzify panel, General Settings, and then Wall Settings. Navigate to control wall posts visibility and enable audio posts type. And then scroll up to activity attachment settings. You can change max file size, remove allowed audio extensions or adding a new one. And let's see the results. Now your members can upload an audio and share it to the BuddyPress Activity stream. And people can play and listen to it. Thank you for watching. And see you in the next video.